Hey yo, I been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be installing a wig by this company called Nay Beauty. In the box I got these little extensions just in case the band in my wig is too tight. I also got this little clip with these colorful stones on it, and I think this is really cute. And of course I got a stocking cap, which I know I'm gonna be needing. This is the hair I'm gonna be installing today. I really love the color and the curls are popping. Also, it has a lot of body. You see me shaking it, that's because, I wanted to show you guys how bouncy it is. It has 4 hooks inside, 2 at each sides, 1 in the top and 1 in the bottom. Most times I only use the 1 in the bottom when I'm putting on these wigs. So I'm just trying it on over this stocking cap just to see exactly what I need to do to customize it before I start. So I noticed the parting in the middle is looking fine to me. I won't need to pluck that, and it's pre-plucked, so I won't need to pluck around the edges either. But I will need to do a ball cap, so I'm gonna do that and come right back. Now that I did my quick ball cap, I'm gonna put it on, adjust it to install it. And if you're interested in seeing how I did my ball cap, I'll link one of my previous videos down below so you could check that out. Here you see me pinning my hair back just to get it out the way while I install the wig. To install the wig, I'm going to be using my Got2b Glued Freeze Spray. And this is because this wig is kind of small on my head and it's more controlled with the Got2b Glue Freeze Spray instead of using the glue. You see the way I'm holding the wig on, that's because it's sliding back because of how small it is. So it is much easier using the spray right now than using the glue. So someone asked me for a up close, I believe, on how I cut the lace off over my ears. And this is what I'm doing right now. I use my fingers to separate the hair before I start cutting the lace, and I try to be careful not to cut any of the hair that I want to stay on the wig, because that won't look too nice when you have like short pieces of hair. And I also try to be careful not to cut my hair. It's really not hard doing this. I mean, if you have the wig on, you'll see exactly where you need to cut or how much you need to cut off just so it will fit right over your ear. After I did that, I pulled like some of my sideburn down and kind of use it to grab the hair, or pull it tighter towards my scalp. Then I sprayed the Got2b glue spray on it and dry it, and that helped to keep it in place. Then I moved on to the other side and I did the same thing. I always have so much fun gluing these wigs on. I don't know, and I see that I've been doing it lately so much and neglecting, my braids that I do all the time. But I'll get back to them, I promise you guys. Now I'm just cutting the lace off the wig, and I do it in sections because I find that this works so much better for me. To lay my edges, I'm just gonna use some regular edge control and use the comb to sweep them in. I'm not gonna cut any of the hair to make baby hair. That's usually not what I do. I just take some of the hair out and brush it right back into the wig. And then I'm gonna cut my little sideburns and use some more of the gel to lay it nice and flat. Now I'm adding some mousse on it just to lay the hair around the edges nice and flat and make it look more natural. And as you guys can see, I forgot to cut my sideburns on the other side, so I guess I'll go ahead and do that. And while I'm using the mousse, I guess I'll just go ahead and use it to lay this one down. Now I'm gonna pin my hair up so I could tie it down, and after tying it down I will allow it to dry for about 20 to 30 minutes. And I'm back showing you guys the back, what it looks like. All that curl, so bouncy, so flowy. I'm loving it. And this is the front, also looking bomb. The color is really beautiful. I did not know I could pull it off, but I think I did. And just so you guys know, I did not add anything to the curls, and I think it would probably look even better if I did, but for some reason I felt like it was okay, so I didn't add anything at all to it. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this here because I'm loving it, but feedback from you guys are always needed. I thought I'll show you guys the sides, how natural they look. Look at that. And installing it was so easy, it really did not take that much work. I want to say a big thank you to Nay Beauty for sponsoring this video, and please check the description box below for my code so you could get discount on this one or any other hair you want to get for yourself from them. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already done so. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.